Okay, while they're still distinguishable, airplane trails. 1, 2, 3. And this one's gotten a lot wider now, starting to blend in with all the other airplanes. And keep expecting to see more around here because here we have such heavy chemtrail activity, airplane spray turning into fake clouds on days that aren't even cold enough for the exhaust to freeze up and turn white, which is what a contrail is versus a chemtrail. 2 very wide airplane trails. Look how that one real wide one is almost giving the appearance of a cloud. That's how they do. Spray fixed up. There's 2 more really long trails.